Hi, my name is Manuel Rodriguez. I'm 24 years old from Calgary, Canada. When I was doing the process of finding hair transplant clinics in Turkey, there was a few names that came up, so I started reaching out to a few of them, Vera being one of them. And basically the consultation process, which was a long journey, went very well with Vera and Beza, that was a consultant. And basically she was being very responsive for all the questions I was asking. I was asking some tough questions, and it was from there I thought it was an easy choice to go with Vera. So basically I just send them the pictures of my head to the consultant. The consultant within the next few days, she sent me the package through email, telling me all the different options that I had, and then basically what the two main recommended options were, and basically to make a decision based on financially where I was at. From the moment I stepped on there, I felt very, very well taken care of, making sure I wasn't nervous or anything, stressed out. I was very reassured that I was going to be receiving the best care. The pre-surgery preparation, out of 5 stars, very good. The questions basically that I was asking, because if you know, my mother, she was also a doctor, so she told me to ask these tough questions, and all the basically the doctor and the medical consultants, they were all able to answer them on the spot with very, very, very good knowledge of. So they know what they're doing. They don't want any sort of contamination or any dirtiness in there. I was very impressed with the cleanliness of throughout the whole clinic, from reception to operation room, the hair washing room, all the different rooms that I was in. Even since I have a Spanish-sounding name, they would even consider would you like me to translate in Spanish or English? So I was impressed in you see all their different languages that they're able to do. So it was pretty impressive. Friends and family friends who are very curious. Basically, I'll tell them my whole experience there, and overall it's been pretty positive. Like I said, there's a bunch of clinics that are around, but since I went with Vera, that's the one I can vouch for. That will be very good service, and they'll be very well taken care of.